In this video, I'll be showing you how you can send an auction email to all the current bidders that have placed bids on that auction. If you want to send them a last minute reminder, or if there's any amendments made to the auction times, anything like that, this is a really quick way that you can quickly message and get in contact with all the current bidders on an auction. All you have to do is just go to the auction that you want to send the emails to. I'm going to go ahead and use a closed one. Why not? And then it's under the bidders tab. At the top left, on the top side, you scroll all the way down to where it says send auction email and click on that. So this at the very top is just the very simple email. This is obviously a batch email, so you'll type all your information in here once and it'll be sent to all the bidders that have interacted with this auction. Starting off with the very first thing we have is the subject. And then you have the message, and this uses our regular HTML based text software. So I've made a video on this showing all the different settings and features that we have on this, so please do check that out. I'll have that in the description. Underneath you have, of course, the list of all the bidders that have had any interaction with this auction, that have placed a bid, that have won, anything like that. It'll show the regular information with their IDs, their first and last names, usernames, emails, and then their activity. So on this list, you can choose to whether click on or send the auction to all the bidders by clicking on the tick box on the top left side of the bidder list here. That'll activate all the ticks, or you can individually select which bidders you want to send this email to. And then it's very simple, you just send the email, type in whatever you want. So once you're happy with your email, you've put in your subject and you've selected the appropriate bidders you want to send the email to, all you have to do is just click on send and the email will be sent out to all the bidders. And that pretty much covers that for this video. Thanks again for watching, folks.